What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is my redemption day. So the first video I posted on the YouTube channel this year was this event back in spring. It was the spring mud bog. It was my first mud race, and I jacked it all up by using the diff lock. I didn't know it was going to limit power, but we're heading back there today for their fall mud bog. We already got cooler loaded up. We're just taking Jalen's truck because it's just us, and we're not towing anything. Hopefully we can pull a W today. If not, it is what it is, but we should be able to. It's a stock class. There's only, I think, 1 or 2 other 1000s that I raced with last time, and we're not going to use diff lock, obviously. So we'll go ahead and get on the road and pick y'all up at the park.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever. Yeah. Oh shit.
Alright, so we got driver's meeting in about 10 minutes. I'm heading over there now. We made sure we could get Jalen's truck parked in a good spot for them to sit. After the four-wheeler races, it's gonna go straight into mud trucks, and I'll try to get some really good footage of that, so y'all stay tuned. Right next to Paytrex, Megatron's back. I was the first one to sign up, so I'll probably be the first one to go. I think last time they did it in order of the sign up, but we'll get 2 runs. And this time I'm not going to use diff lock, so we'll see how it goes. We'll pick y'all up in a bit. Alright, so I thought I was first. This guy's first. He's on a brand new, well, kind of new, 24, clean fooler, bone stock. I think he'll pull a pretty good time. It's pretty shallow, and those cryptids do pretty good in mud from what I've seen, but they're doing it different than in the springtime. We're going down, they would barrel at the end, we'll turn around and come back through, and then they call the time. It's gonna be a little tight turn. I don't know if I want to try to switch it back into 2-wheel drive or keep it in 4 and just take the turn slow, because I don't want to engage 4-wheel drive and risk breaking the diff or front drive shaft. Alright, so we can't touch the barrel or knock it over. We get 2 runs. If we touch it or knock it over on 1 run, then it's gonna be it's not gonna count for that run.
Can he make it all the way? He's about halfway through it, man. He's giving her hell. Let's see. He's going to pull out at the end, it looks like. Here it is. That's time. Oh, he said that was too easy. I'm going to go back at it this way.
To let that girl know that y'all was coming back.
Oh.
That's why she stopped.
Okay. Okay.
And he's off, ladies and gentlemen. There he goes. He is the fourth one of it. He's not going to come in last today. He's going to try his best to beat those other times. He's got 3 ahead of him. That was Ethan's first run. Don't forget we give him a second run. This pass on the way down does not count as a time. Ladies and gentlemen, as he pops out the end, let's hear it one more time. Brandon is off once again, making his way through. Had a pretty decent time last time. Let's see if he's going to beat his overall best. Everyone I'm trying for first place is coming out of the end. Right now is his time.
These are gonna be tight times. Oh man, mud in my eyes.
This one possibly is Troy making his way out the end now.
Great ride, man.
All right, flag is dropped and he is off once again, ladies and gentlemen. That is John Jackson from Brandon's Plumbing. He's doing better already than he did last time. Let's see if he can make it all the way out of the end. That is his goal right now. TK Snap Photography getting that snap as he drives by the middle, making his way to the end. They've got the flag raised. He's got to give it hell. Come on, keep dumping it. And he's stuck about in the same spot as last time. But you know what? Let's give it up one more time for John Jackson out there in that side-by-side. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Gary Merriman is off. He's stuffing the clutch and see what he's going to do out there in that clutch today. Cruising along real nicely, making his way through, bouncing off the side to gain some traction. He's going all the way down. The flag is still raised. Let's see how long it's going to take him to get there. Come on, Gary, don't give up now. There he goes, creeping and crawling. Oh, boy, you can do it. Inches away in the black trucks and made it out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, looks like he's ready to go. Tractor tires, we've got Zach Reagan going down the chute right now, loaded out of the gate. Just quickly upon his way through past the halfway point, but eventually jumping on the top, and that will be Glenn at the start. There we go. Right out of the gates.
Well guys, it is exactly a week later and I'm just now finishing up editing this video. We've just had a lot going on, but we did come home with a W for the four-wheeler class, so that was a big win. They mixed their names up a little bit between myself and another guy named Jason, so I had signed up first, so I was actually supposed to go first, but for some reason they had him go first, thinking he was Brandon, I guess, I don't know. So every time he went, his times went under my name and my times went under his name. So when they announced the winner, they said it was him, but everybody knew that my times were faster. I wasn't really sure, but when I went back and reviewed the video footage, every time I went up there, they were saying that I was Jason. And as y'all could see, the actual bounty hole, that was some nasty stuff. Nobody made it further than like 20 foot. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so y'all don't miss the next video, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.